Hi, I'm Sin and I'm the Phattycakes CEO, and today we talking about the mango crazy wings, y'all. So I'm gonna put a few wings into the flour. It's already seasoned and everything's already seasoned. So I'm just gonna put like a few in. Throw a little, good little 4 or 5. Now I got some greedy family, so I'll put like 10. Matter of fact, I got my family out here, y'all. And we're gonna just mix it all up, get it fully coated, and I'm gonna just, like I said, throw a few 8 to 10 pieces, and it's gonna be in here for about 12 to 15 minutes. So we're gonna let that rock for a little bit, and it's gonna do its thing. Yo, my fryer. Oh, shit. Yo. No, it wasn't turned on. This whole time. Yeah.
That's crazy.
Woo, y'all heard that sizzle? So while that's going, we wanna talk about